For today's lesson, we'll be discussing about divisibility rules of 3, 6, and 9. Let us first familiarize ourselves with the rules. For the first one, the divisibility rule for 3, a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. Divisibility rule for 6, a number is divisible by 6 if it is even and divisible by 3. And divisibility rule for 9, a number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digit is divisible by 9. So let us try to apply these rules in answering our activity. It says here, tell whether the following numbers are divisible by 3, 6, and 9. The first one is 66. Is 66 divisible by 3? It says in the rule, we must check if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. So how are we going to do that? So we will add the digits 6 plus 6, that is 12. Since 12 is divisible by 3, 12 divided by 3 is 4. Therefore, we can say that 66 is divisible by 3. Next, for the divisibility rule of 6, it says in the rule that if a number is an even number and is divisible by 3, therefore it's also divisible by 6. So since 66 is an even number and it's also divisible by 3 as per this equation, we can already say that it's also divisible by 6. So it's divisible by 3, at the same time it's divisible by 6. How about 9? Is 66 divisible by 9? The divisibility rule of 3 and 9 are actually the same. You just have to add the digits. 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. Since the sum of the digits is not divisible by 9, therefore 66 is not divisible by 9. So 66 is only divisible by 3 and by 6. Next, the number 78. So again, the rule of 3 is you have to add the digits. So 7 plus 8 is 15. 15 divided by 3 is 5. Since 15 is divisible by 3, therefore 78 is divisible by 3. Next, divisibility rule of 6. Is 78 an even number? So yes, this is an even number. Also, it's divisible by 3 as mentioned here. Therefore, it's divisible by 6. And then lastly, we have 9. Let us get again the sum. So as you can see, the sum is 15 and 15 divided by 9. So 15 is not divisible by 9. So therefore, it's not divisible by 9. 78 is not divisible by 9. Next, 183. So get the sum of each digit or the digits. 1 plus 8 plus 3. So we have 12. 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. So since 12 is divisible by 3, therefore 183 is divisible by 3. Next, 6. Since 183 is not an even number, even though it's divisible by 3, therefore it's not divisible by 6. We can say that it's divisible by 6 if, again, it's an even number and it's divisible by 3. And then lastly, is it divisible by 9? So 1 plus 8 plus 3, as you can see here, again, the sum is 12. 12 is not divisible by 9. Therefore, it's not divisible by 9 as well. Next, the number 177. Let us add the digits. 1 plus 7 plus 7 is equal to 15. 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. So, it's divisible by 3. 6. Since 177 is not an even number, therefore, it's not divisible by 6. Although, even though it's divisible by 3, again, it's not an even, therefore, we cannot say that it's divisible by 6. Then lastly, is it divisible by 9? So 1 plus 7, again, it's 15. 15 is not divisible by 9. Therefore, it's not divisible by 9. 299. So again, we have to add the digits. 2 plus 9 plus 9. The answer is 20. So divide 20 by 3. Therefore, it's not divisible. So we cannot say that it's divisible by 3. Is it divisible by 6? It's not divisible by 6 also, because number 1, it's not an even number, and number 2, it's not divisible by 3. Is it divisible by 9? So 2 plus 9 plus 9 is equal to 20. 20 is not also divisible by 9, so therefore it's not divisible by 9. And then we have 396. Add the digits 3 plus 9 plus 6. So 3 plus 9 is 12 plus 6 is 18. So 18 divided by 3 is 6. Therefore, it's divisible by 3. Next, is it an even number? So yes, 396 is an even number and it's divisible by 3. Therefore, it's divisible by 6. And then 9. 3 plus 9 plus 6 is 18 divided by 9. 18 divided by 9 is 2. Therefore, it's divisible by 9. So it's also divisible by 9.